you recall, a positive number is obviously 1, 2, 3, 4, you name it. So I'm just going to set this equal to 1, and then I'm going to run it. As you can see, you've started the string. Great. You started your work. The string doesn't seem to be empty. Okay, so it stipulates that this value should still be a number, which is what I did. If you set it equal to an empty string, it's gonna negate to false. It's gonna equal false. Alright, so it says it's right. Change the value of favorite phrase so that it's still a string but falsy. So favorite phrase, which is the second variable here within the code block, within the file, let's check. So that it's still a string but falsy. After you make this change, run your code. The string is definitely empty, right? It's already running. The string is definitely empty. Should belong to the console. That's why I was getting a bit confused. I'm like, well, where does this come from? Okay, so we have to assign it, change the value of favorite phrase. Okay, so basically what we're going to do here is simple. We'll just set it empty, equal to an empty string. And as you can see, an empty string is falsy. Moving on.